Okay guys, I'm back, and this time I'm going to be doing a all blues and whites. So we're gonna put a little of the blue, a lot of blue. I'm gonna stir it up. Like that. That's more than enough. Then I'm going to put in another one, but these are primary elements. This one is Stargazer, and that's a really light blue, as you can see. So I'm mixing that one up, and this has a really nice sheen to it, as you can see. So we're doing that one, and then we're going to do white. Need a new little, I'm gonna stir this up first a little bit, and we're gonna drop in the white. That's about enough. And we're going to stir that one up. Now in this one I'm going to add a little bit of glitter because I want to see how that works out. If I can still see it. I think I need a little bit more of that. Yeah, we can see it. Okay. Now, I'm going to dump it all in the middle. That's it. And I'm going to dump this one straight over the top. That's it. And then we're going to, of course, come in with the blow thing. Okay, we have the blue base ready. Now I'm going to come in and put the white in here. And I'm putting this in diagonal because I'm going to swipe over it. So let's do the swiping. That's number one. Oh, that is really pretty. And we're going to come in right here. Swipe that one down there. A little bit more swiping. I want to come in and put that over here. And then put this one down here. Now these are really pretty cells. Up here I got a lot of cells moving, and I think I am going to swipe one more from here. Let's see if we can do that. That is pretty. Now let's see. Okay, that looks kind of cute. I like what's going on up here. I'm sort of watching this happening too, because as you know, I haven't used this stuff before, so I want a little bit more in here. And I'll take a new paper to swipe. That's it. That is pretty here. That is really pretty. I love this. So these are all the blues and whites, and I really like what's happening down here. That makes it really pretty. And I'm looking up here if I can see something that I still want to change. No, up to now I think we're good. Just want to smooth this out a little bit, because I think this is more than enough. I don't think I'm going to be adding another layer. Maybe, just maybe, I'll add a transparent layer with, that's what I'm going to do. Wait a minute, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back, and I'm going to put a, this is just a clear resin with a lot of different little sparkles in it, because I do think that I'm missing just something to make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to put that right over there. And let it come together like that. Wow, that makes it really interesting. That is really pretty. Now it's not going all over the place, it's just, you know, sort of coming from one place and coming up. It's like sort of a seaweed thing, but then a special sort of seaweed, like some magical fairy dust kind of thing. Now this is really pretty. And all these little glitter things, you can find them on AliExpress. You go to the nail section, that's where you find them. And they are very, very cheap. We're talking like a couple of, I think 50 cents for one of these tiny little things. 50 cents, 30 cents, I don't know. But very cheap. Then you have these, the bigger ones. They are like 60 cents. But you'll have to just, you know, Google around and find them. But this is really pretty. Now what we have is those cells underneath, and there where the ribbons of glitter go over them, you don't see the cells, so they sort of spread out, but that's okay. This is really pretty if you look up really close. The only thing, I have this line going through it, and that's not something I'm really fond of. So I'm going to try and get rid of the line just a little bit, that it's not that obvious. But I can't go through the ribbons, so I've got to be careful. That's okay. Now it looks sort of more incorporated into the background. That makes it interesting. Yeah. Okay. This one's ready, guys. I'm not going to do anything more to it. I think it's pretty enough. And then I'm just going to let it dry like this and see what happens. I always do put a little bit of tape around it, but I'm going to pull that tape off. I'm going to put it away. I can't show you that. Oh, wait a minute. I think I do have to torch it, though. I see a couple of air bubbles. There they go. That's it. Okay, we're ready. I think it's pretty. And I'll show it once it's dry. Okay, guys, love you all to pieces. See you later.